Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Cronos Group. I've talked about them once or twice on the channel here. As you follow my channel, I've talked about a lot of MJ plays, and this is one of them. Unfortunately, they haven't been doing so hot this year. Over the last year, they had a nice run-up like all the other ones on February 10th, and ever since then, it's just been coming down. So it's down about a third of the price, a little bit more. So in the past 3 months, down over 22%. In the last month, it's down 7.15%. In the last week, it's down a little bit over 14%. And here's what it looks like today. So just ugly, ugly, ugly. But it gives me an opportunity to lower this cost basis, and I still have 30 shares of it, so kind of in the hole on this one. But this is Cronos Group, ticker CRON. I'm sure I've talked about this one. I'll link it in the description. But it engages in the production and distribution of MJ. Its brand include Peace Naturals, Cove, Spinach, Lord, Jones, and Peace. Company was founded by so-and-so in 2012. And 7.33 million shares and an average of 6.94 with a $1.82 billion market cap. 52-week high of $15.83, low of $4.86. And I wonder if that low was hit today. Probably was. Not the greatest ratings, just like a lot of the other MJ plays out there. So 46% showing a hold. And I thought earnings was today. This says expected November 30th. We'll find some more information on that, but you can see I've had mine for a while. 5 shares at $9.45 2 years ago at $10.40, so I've had mine for a while. But let's see, this shows expected today, so that don't make any sense, but I don't know, unless they're just late posting it. So, and over here on Bing shows this as a sell, so not much good about CRON, but other than watch it and see if it goes any lower, and like I said, provide a buying opportunity. But Cronos Group moved down 5.11. Why it's important, this is dated on the 16th. A loss of 5.11 in the last trading session, reaching $5.94 per price at the time. Company report on November 15th, 2021. So this is kind of going over some investigation claims on behalf of investors. So that might be kind of running it down as well. Investigation concerns whether Cronos and certain of its officers and directors have engaged in securities fraud or other unlawful business practices. So run into that from time to time, but it doesn't do the MJ category in itself very good. So Cronos Group represents 371.72 million in outstanding shares, while the company has a total market value of 2.53 billion with the latest information. CRON stock price has been found in the range of $5.92 to $6.43. Here's what top equity market gurus are saying about CRON, and you can pause and go over that for yourself. We'll go over some more ratings here later in the video. To buy or not to buy Cronos Group, ticker CRON stock. And so we'll see what this one says. On Wednesday, was down 4.48% below its previous day close, as a downside momentum from buyers pushed the stock's value to $5.55. A look at the stock price movement. The close in the trading session was $5.81, moving with a range of $5.52 and $5.85. Beta value 5-year monthly was 1.83. Turning the 52-week performance, $15.83 and $5.11 were the 52-week high and 52-week low, respectively. Overall, CRON moved down 4.48% over the past month. Cronos Group market cap currently stands at around $2.36 billion, with investors looking forward to the quarter earnings report slated for August 4th of 2021 through August 9th of 2021. So if you have CRON, go ahead and list it in the comments. You can see what I have, and I don't have any retirement. Just the shares of CRON that I have are here in Robinhood. Cronos stock continues to dive after earnings report delay. B of A lowers price target. Not good at all. MJ company Cronos announced last week that it had to delay filing third quarter earnings due to the pending impairment charges for its U.S. CBD activities. The Toronto-based company was unable to file its quarterly report, saying that its audit committee needed more time to evaluate the goodwill and indefinite-lived intangible assets in its U.S. reporting unit for impairment. The company expects that it will record an impairment charge of not less than $220 million on goodwill and indefinite-lived intangible assets on its U.S. reporting unit for 3 and 6 months ended on June 30th of 2021. So, and this is showing underperform, so need a kick in the butt here, CRON. Why Tilray, Cronos, and Curaleaf Stocks dropped today. Every MJ, even MJ ETF that I've talked about here on the channel was down. So haven't talked about Curaleaf. I have talked about them on the channel. Tilray a while back. CRON a couple times. So the stock market harshed MJ investors' buzz Thursday afternoon as shares of Curaleaf tumbled 4.5%. Cronos and Tilray fell even harder, down 10.1 and 12.1. So, like I said, provides a buying opportunity. So I'm not ready to retire yet. So it gives me a buying opportunity and build that basket up with MJ. So MJ investors are digesting both macro and micro stories today. And the macro one is that Washington, D.C. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer just threw cold water on the idea that MJ legalization would be good news for all participants in the industry. Well, there's your answer. Thank you, Chuck. Although Schumer has been hailed in the some quarters as a hero for championing the 163-page MJ Administration and Opportunity Act that would finally legalize MJ on the national level. He's being quoted today on MJMoment.net saying that he wants to hobble the titans of MJ industry in favor of the smaller operators and ensure the big boys don't come in and make all the money. Now, Schumer didn't specify precisely to whom he's referring with the big boys moment comment. Maybe he's simply saying that he wants to make sure MJ legalization doesn't simply give another product for Altria to sell. Altria, if you don't know, they're a big tobacco company. They have ties with one of the MJ companies is not coming to mind. I'll try to put in the comments if I think of it. But if you're an investor in Cronos, market capitalization $1.9 billion, or especially Tilray $5.1 billion, or Curaleaf $6.7 billion. This still sounds kind of ominous. So, very interesting information. Barclays didn't refer directly to Schumer's comment, but as the Fly.com reports today, what it did say was just as bad. Barclays warned that his opinion MJ legalization will in fact not happen in America before President Joe Biden leaves office. What's more, no matter when MJ becomes legal in the U.S., says Barclays, Cronos' performance as MJ business in Canada has been poor, giving little confidence that Cronos will do better selling MJ in the United States. So, another thing to, I shouldn't say, dog on the president. There you go. I said it. And let's see here. Over here to StockTwits, CRON currently at 489 with a 52-week low of 511 and a high of 1583. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with all the MJ plays here in the weeks and months to come. And the TLRY, I've talked about them. CGC, I've talked about them. I have all of these CRON, and I'm in the red on all of them, especially ACB. Just did a video about that one. And Sundial, 75 cents. Huge MJ news. I like TLRY the best. CRON over here on Tip Ranks, currently at a moderate sell, $5.29 with a 8.18% upside, and high of $6.50, low of $4.36. But if you have CRON, go ahead and list that in the comments, along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share about CRON that would help us out, and any other MJ plays you want to see. Might work on a couple more here tonight, but go ahead and leave some comments. Those are always welcome. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.